In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Workspace certification. Starting off, it's essential for you to know that earning a Google Workspace certification can significantly enhance your credentials, especially if you're looking to showcase your skills in utilizing Google's suite of cloud tools and services effectively. Whether you're an IT professional, a project manager, or someone who just loves to be organized and efficient, this certification can be your golden ticket. Let's dive straight into the process. First off, you'll need to navigate to Google. This might seem like a basic step, but it's the gateway to accessing all the information and resources you'll need for your certification journey. Once you're there, go ahead and type in cloud.google.com/search into the search bar. This specific search query is going to lead you directly toward what we're aiming for, bypassing unnecessary search results and saving you valuable time. Upon reaching this stage, you'll notice a multitude of options and possibly some advertisements. Look carefully for a link stating certification towards the bottom of the page. This link is your pathway to all the information about Google Workspace certifications that Google offers. Clicking on it will take you directly to a hub of resources, guidelines, and the various certifications available. The moment you click on certification, you'll find yourself on a page brimming with options. These are the different certifications that Google Workspace offers. Each certification caters to different roles and expertise levels, from fundamental skills in using Google Workspace tools to more advanced project management and IT support skills. It's crucial at this point to take your time and go through each certification offering to understand what aligns best with your career goals and current skill set. Choosing the right certification is a critical step. It's not just about proving your proficiency with Google Workspace tools, it's about aligning your certification with where you want your career to head. Each certification has its own set of exams, preparatory resources, and application processes. So make sure to thoroughly review the certification that best fits your professional journey. And that's the simplified roadmap to getting your Google Workspace certification. Remember, the key is in the details. Take your time to explore the certifications available, utilize the preparatory resources offered by Google, and approach your certification journey with confidence. Achieving a Google Workspace certification is not just a milestone, it's a stepping stone towards greater opportunities in your career. Good luck, and here's to your success in becoming Google Workspace certified.